Hello everyone and welcome to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a pair of shorts with pockets. So you guys have been asking me to do a tutorial on how to do this. So that's why I am doing it again. I actually have a video of how to make this before, but I just want to refresh it for you guys. So I decided to do a new one, and plus I am cleaning my fabric leftover stash, so this is a great way to use them. So yeah, before we get started, if you are new here, hello, my name is Aldo and I make sewing, DIY, and style videos. So if you like those type of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. And don't forget to hit the notifications so you will get new updates whenever I post a new one. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I already pre-cut the fabrics, so it will be much faster. So basically, I just cut out 4 pieces. I did not cut it on fold because I will put pockets on the sides. I also used the same shorts for a previous sewing tutorial. Instead of an elastic, I will use a stretchy waistband. Now it's time to cut out the pockets. I'm just going to place my hand on the fabric like this, and I'm just going to trace it like big enough so my hand will fit inside the pocket. And then I'll go ahead and cut it out. I will need 4 pieces. And then I will flip it just like this, and I will use it as my template. Now it's time to pin it on the side seam of the shorts. I'm going to place the pocket piece an inch below the raw edge. We'll then repeat the same steps on the rest of the fabric pieces. Then I'm going to sew it about 1/4 of an inch away from the raw edge. Now it should look something like this. I am just going to match the right sides of the fabrics together. And then I'm going to pin the raw edges. So it starts from the top and then it will go around the pocket and then back down to the side seam. And I will repeat the same step on the other leg panel. I will also join the inseams. For this project, I will be using just my sewing machine, so I can show you that this is actually doable even if you don't have a serger. You can just always use your regular sewing machine. Now it should look like this. As you can see, we have a pocket right here. Super pretty. And then this happened. So I realized that the other panel is actually wrong side out and I did not have any extra fabric to match, so I decided just to roll with it and just pretend that they look exactly the same. So now I am going to match the crotch seam. First, I open up the fabric like this and I'm just going to insert the other panel inside the leg hole, and then I'm going to match the crotch seam and then pin it all the way around. Remember to match the right sides of the fabrics. And then I am going to sew it right here. As you can see, this U shape, that is the crotch seam. And it should look something like this. Now it's time to sew the waistband. I cut out a long strip of fabric about 4 inches wide, and it's an inch shorter than my waistline. And then I'm going to sew the short end, then fold it in half, and I'm going to quarter the waistband and the waistline of the shorts, so it'll be much easier to attach the waistband. I placed the waistband on the right side of the fabric. I am going to stretch the waistband to match the waistline of the shorts as I sew, and I'm also using a zigzag stitch. And it should look something like this. As you can see, the waistband stretch is really good, and I use a narrow zigzag stitch, by the way. Now all what's left to do is hem the hemlines, and it is done. This is the final product, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So this doesn't have elastic waistband, but the band here is stretchy, so it's very comfortable. And you guys, I did not use my serger for this project just because I want to show you that you can use a regular sewing machine for this project. I just use zigzag stitch. As you can see, it will still give me that stretch that I need. So that's it for today, and I hope you like this tutorial. I hope this is helpful to you. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. If you could share this video to your families and friends, I would really appreciate it. It's a good way to kind of spread out the words about my sewing channel. So if you share this video, you're actually helping me out. Also, don't forget to click the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. And if you are looking for more sewing project inspiration, I have over 200 sewing projects that are available for you guys. I'm going to have the links or the playlist right here so you can go ahead and check them out. Happy sewing, everybody! I will see you next week. Bye!